Hi, Paul from Devongunsmith here. Welcome to another video. This is a quickie. One of those soft flexes, if you will. I'm really enjoying life at the moment. Look at these beautiful guns. Browning B25C1, a Vostok MTS6, and a Merkel 201E. Could life get any better, guys? Let's get into it. If you enjoy the content, don't forget, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Yeah, so this is a bit of a soft brag really. Really happy to have all these different beautiful, somewhat vintage guns in. And some are going to have a few minor problems, but nothing terrible. But what I actually get from this is, these are all from the era when I was born. So they are almost, well, ranging between 50 and 60 years old themselves. And there's really not a lot of content in this video, guys. It's really just having a little look at these beautiful guns. So it's a teaser, if you will. This is gun porn to gentlemen like you and me who enjoy the artistry and the beauty of guns. And interestingly, just to point out how all of these guns are using screw fixings for the fore ends was a little interesting thing. And they have interesting locks and stuff like that. And well, just I'm like a pig in muck, you know, in a strawberry field. I'm lost for choice. Do I scoff the strawberries or do I roll in the mud? What can I say? All I can say is there'll be 3 videos coming down the line soon when I get time to edit them on these different guns. Thanks for jumping in and having a look. And I thought you might enjoy the anticipation of these. We've got also plenty of side-by-sides, which are also beautiful. But let's be honest, I haven't seen a gun I didn't like. See you soon, guys.